You can make Skyhawk flip 34 times even though most people get 0. Here's how. Find a seat, doesn't matter inner or outer, and set your wings, one up and one down. Lean into the wing that's down, making sure you're really weighing into it. When you feel your momentum stop, switch your wings the other way. Now lean the new direction. Your weight follows the wing that is down. Keep pumping back and forth. Each time you get closer to flipping. Once you're over the top, lock in and keep leaning. You're 135 feet up right now, and every flip is you, not the ride. You can hit up to 75 flips in one ride if you keep the rhythm going. Epic Universe just got the same kind of ride. It's called Dragon's Racers Rally. If it won't spin for you, you're not committed to the lean. That's the whole secret. Skyhawk barely gets lined. The big coasters here do though, and that's what rideready's for. The most I've ever gotten is 60. Drop your best in the comments.